Niti Aayog Vice Chairman Suman Kumar Berry said that if the government wants a development strategy that will leave no one behind, then the government should be concerned about its 200 million tribals. Speaking to reporters during his visit to the office of Hima Milliam, Berry said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has paid a lot of attention to tribal issues. He also observed that tribal communities are a significant part of India's population, but they are not always well supported by national schemes.
Tribal communities are a significant part of India's population. They are not always well supported by national schemes. And so for Niti Aayog on a national level, not just on a state level, as it were, being alert to tribal level issues is important, because if you want a development strategy that leaves no one behind, then you do have to worry about I think it's 200 million tribals.